we are seeking compensation on behalf of the market traders rising out of the fire that burned their properties in Thika Market. That's why we came.
So what orders have you gotten?
Gotten orders that will not be evicted now. We are also not going to relocate the market and subdivide, heading the hearing of the case.
Mheshimiwa,
we didn't need the traders to be compensated for the loss they incurred when the market was banned. And we are happy because for now we have order restraining anybody from interfering with the market. And I can say that is a win for the traders because for now they feel a little bit relieved. Nobody can interfere with the proceeding of the market.
okay, you've also been sued over.
I have also been sued, and that's why I say the order that came out is to prevent myself, to prevent the county government, to prevent any other person from interfering with the traders. That's why I'm saying it is a win for the traders. Yeah.
The orders you have gotten from Judge Odunga?
That one it was an extension, but also us who are here today to sue the county government for the damages that were incurred when the market was banned. So the traders are asking for 64,800,000 for the damages that took place that time.
Okay. So Odunga has extended the orders
Not to
preventing
Renault. We are from Renault. Yeah.
Thank you.
Where?